mid-80s. Wind advisory in effect from 7 p.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 7 p.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday. Timing, Monday evening and overnight winds, 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to 45 miles per hour impacts, difficult driving conditions, tree limbs down, loose objects blown around. The wind advisory means that winds over 40 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong may blow down a few trees or tree limbs and cause isolated power outages. Driving may also become difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.